I came from the West, very low income, and so I was raising a family, so my own personal teeth were put to the side in order to get the kids taken care of. Eventually, that ended up with me having only about 12 teeth left in my mouth. It was very painful all the time. That's why I carried the oral gel around with me to just try and stay out of pain day in and day out, minute by minute. You have to have it with you just to try and survive the agony of not having good teeth.
When I first met Patty, she was really struggling aesthetically, really struggling socially, really struggling to eat. And we talked through a lot of different options as far as starting over. And when patients think to start over, there's really only a few options. And one of those options is teeth that screw into implants or a hybrid.
My husband had gone in and got dentures and got everything pulled out because he was having the same issue. And then he was like the other people in my family who had dentures, they ended up just not wearing them, just not having anything. And that just wasn't something that I wanted for me. I wanted to be able to smile and have people smile back at me.
She really did not want something that was removable. She wanted something that would stay in permanently. And after an appointment under sedation, we were able to remove her teeth and put the implants in. And we had the teeth made while she was sedated. And then when those teeth went in, she went from 6 or 8 teeth to 24, 28 teeth in one appointment. It was almost a mind, body, soul transformation from top to bottom. It was an amazing transformation for her.
When I looked at myself with the teeth the first time, it was like a rebirth. I hadn't seen that smile since I was about 16 years old. And everyone is just surprised by the change that has happened to me.
She is electric. When she smiles ear to ear, and it's so obvious. Not only does she have zero inhibition, she has 100% confidence in how her smile looks. You can't look at her and not smile when you see how bright and perfect and awesome her smile is.
A smile means to me that when I smile, people smile back immediately. They don't sort of hesitate, because of the teeth, the way they were and everything. And people smile back with me again. Sometimes I have to watch it because I smile too big. Because I'm so happy with it. I forget that it's not you should just smile a little bit. I just smile real big because I expect to have these for the next 40 years.